On the first tier, Vietnam is divided into 58 provinces and 5 municipalities under the command of the central government. Municipalities are the highest-ranked cities in Vietnam. Municipalities are centrally controlled cities and have special status equal to the provinces. The provinces are divided into provincial cities, towns and rural districts as the second-tier units. At the third tier, provincial city and town is divided into ward and commune, while rural district is divided into townships and communes. The chairman of the People's Committee is the head of each province, except for the 5 municipalities where the party committee secretary is first in charge. Provincial Committee of the Communist Party is a provincial subordinate of the Communist Party of Vietnam. Since Vietnam is a one-party state, the Provincial Committee of the Communist Party is the most prominent organ of provincial governance. Each provincial committee of the Communist Party is headed by a secretary. The secretary is the de facto leader of the province. The legislative branch of a province is the People's Council. The People's Council votes on the policy, regulations and orders for development of the province. Members of People's Council are called delegates or councillors. The number of councillors varies from province to province, depending on the population of that province. The People's Council appoints a People's Committee, which acts as the executive arm of the provincial governance. This arrangement is a somewhat simplified version of the situation in Vietnam's national government. Provincial governments are subordinates to the central government. The executive branch of a province is the People's Committee. The People's Committee is responsible for implementing policy and executing laws and orders. The People's Committee is equivalent to the executive government of Vietnam. People's Committee also manages the provincial departments which are equivalent to the ministries. Members of the People's Committee are called commissioners, and consist of between 4 and 7 commissioners. The number of commissioners depends on the population of the province. The chairman and vice chairman of the People's Committee are also councillors of the People's Council. The judiciary branch of a province is the People's Court. The People's Court is responsible for judiciary processes and trials. The People's Court is equivalent to the Judiciary Supreme People's Court of Vietnam. The People's Court is headed by a chief judge and consists of a number of judges. Provincial Police Department is under direct command of the Ministry of Public Security. Provinces of Vietnam Island areas. Phu Quoc Island **** Con Dao Islands **** Paracel Islands **** Spratly Islands. According to the census results of 1 April 2019, the population of Vietnam is 96,208,984 people. The most populous top-level administrative unit in Vietnam is Ho Chi Minh City, one of the 5 centrally governed cities. It has 8,993,082 people living within its official boundaries. The second most populous administrative unit is the recently expanded Hanoi with 8,053,663 people. Prior to the expansion of the capital city, this rank belonged to Thanh Hoa with 3,640,128 people. The least populous is Bac Can, a mountainous province in the remote northeast with 313,905 people. In land area, the largest province is Nguyen, which runs from the city of Vinh up the wide Song Ca Valley. The smallest is Bac Ninh, located in the populous Red River Delta region. The following is a table of Vietnam's provinces broken down by population and area. 1 April 2019. Based on 2019 census and 2018 area data from Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment. See also list of postal codes in Vietnam. The Vietnamese government often groups the various provinces into 8 regions, which are often grouped into 3 macro regions: northern, central and southern. These regions are not always used, and alternative classifications are possible. The regions include Carat Municipality,